Hello everyone, welcome to Buzz Crimson. I'm your host Shakib. Today I just wanted to do a short video on how to close an iron condor because some of my viewers asked questions on how to close it, what kind of things they encountered. They wanted to know, and I figured this would be a good way. So I sold two very small iron condor positions, and I'm going to show you how to close them. So these are short iron condor positions. I have one here that's on AT&T. Here's another one on Pfizer. They're both expiring this Friday. So let's close one of them. So this one, when I sold it, I collected $11, give $50 collateral. It'll expire this Friday. If you are right about iron condor, which is you predicted that the stock price will trade sideways and stay in between the short strike price, short call and short put strike prices, the value of this option contract will go down over time as you get closer to expiration. And if you see, that's what has been happening. It has steadily declined over time. So that's why now, since I sold it to open, now I'm going to close by buying it back at a cheaper price. Same thing here. As you can see, this is 1 day, but when you go week, it's steadily declined over time. So let's close these. If you order one, I don't know, limit price, it's trading at $3 or 0.3. I'll just put 4. See, it'll ask you credit or debit. Since I'm buying it, I have to pay for it, so that's going to be debit. When I sold it, I collected credit. So you go debit. As you can see, all of them are sell to close. Submit. All right. It failed. You see how easy it is? They released my collateral. I made $7 out of $11 premium, so that's about 63% profit. I just locked in. Again, this is an example, iron condor. Let's try to close this one as well. I collected $11. It's trading at 6. Let's close it. Yeah, 7. It's fine. Again, sell to close, right? This one, it didn't ask me about debit or credit. They just know. So yeah, another way you can tell that you're paying for it is it'll show you max cost. When you sell iron condor, it'll show you max credit. I'm paying for it. It's max cost. Submit. Again. It will probably fill soon, but you get the process. So all right, that's how you close an iron condor. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel so you can watch more of these step-by-step process.